In this video we are going to look at concentration, and we are first going to learn the definition for concentration, and then later we are going to look at how concentration is calculated, and we're going to work through some example questions on how to calculate the concentration of a solution. Concentration is the amount of solute dissolved in a certain volume of solvent. We're going to look at this in a bit more detail by looking at these two representations of solutions. So these two pictures show the particles in two different solutions, and the blue particles show the solvent, so the liquid in the solution. This could, for example, be water. The red particles show the solute. The solute is the solid that has been dissolved in the solvent, and that could be, for example, sugar, but it could also be an alkali like sodium hydroxide or an ionic compound like sodium chloride. We can see that on the left side there are less red solute particles, so this solution has a low concentration. On the right side we have many more red solute particles, so in this solution we have a high concentration. We can also say that the left solution is dilute, and we could also say that the white solution with a high concentration is concentrated. The equation to calculate the concentration is concentration equals amount dissolved divided by volume of solution. The amount dissolved is normally a mass, so its unit is grams. The unit for the volume is decimeters cube, and we need to note that 1 decimeter cube equals 1 liter or 1000 centimeters cube. The unit for the concentration is gram divided by decimeters cube, or gram decimeters to the power of -3. The minus sign here shows that gram is divided by decimeters cube. So now let us look at an example question. 6 gram of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 4 decimeters cube of water. Calculate the concentration of the solution. The amount here is given as 6 grams, and the volume of the solution is 4 decimeters cube. So now all we have to do is to plug those numbers into our equation. So we get concentration equals 6 grams divided by 4 decimeters cube, and this gives us a concentration of 1.5 gram per decimeter cube. Now let us have a look at another example. 9 gram of hydrogen chloride is dissolved in 3 decimeters cube of water. Calculate the concentration of the solution. Now you can grab a piece of paper, pause the video, and have a go yourself at calculating the concentration. You can use the equation above. The amount dissolved in this question is 9 gram, and the volume of solution is 3 decimeters cube. So we need to plug those two numbers into our equation, and we get concentration equals 9 gram divided by 3 decimeters cube, which gives us a concentration of 3 grams per decimeter cube. Now we're going to look at a slightly more complicated example. We have 4 gram of copper chloride is dissolved in 500 centimeters cube of water. Calculate the concentration of the solution. The amount dissolved here is 4 gram, and the volume of solution is 500 centimeters cube. We have to be really careful here with the units, because this time the volume is not given to us in decimeters cube but in centimeters cube, so we have to convert those 500 centimeters cube to decimeters cube. And we mentioned at the beginning that 1000 centimeters cube equals 1 decimeter cube. So this means that we have to divide by 1000, and 500 centimeters cube equals 0.5 decimeters cube. So now we get concentration equals 4 grams divided by 0.5 decimeters cube, which gives us a concentration for this solution of 8 grams per decimeters cube. And this is all you have to know about concentration.